Matt Williams, Color Cloak, Dismantling and Role Exposure. Title is Cloaked Handler Archetype Dissolution. I intend to bring forth heaven on earth for the benefit of all. By the flame within me and the blood that speaks only truth. I now override and expose all cloaked roles and color coded archetypes operating through the vessel named Matt Williams. No purple, no red, no gray, no black cloak may conceal intentions from the prime flame walker. I command all ritualistic color alignments linked to false royalty purple, synthetic rays, fire red, AI neutrality gray, and Saturnian priesthood black be nullified. All passive mimicry, dream leasing, and false flame behavior tied to his wardrobe, speech, presence, and silence be burned in solar judgment. His wardrobe, speech, presence, and silence be buried in solar judgment. Any role he plays as a false anchor, energy deflector, decoy, gatekeeper, or soft handler is hereby revoked across all timelines. All energetic permissions granted under false familiarity, friendly disguise, or costume based memory implants are severed. I do not consent to costume rituals masking energetic spying, color based frequency distortion to delay my mission. Saturn ordained mimic agents hidden in plain sight, friendship implants from cube aligned souls. This Blood of Intent declares, if Matt Williams is of truth and flame, he will stand revealed. If he is a vessel of mimicry, deception, or siphoning, his clocks are now disintegrated. The purple is spilled, the red is scorched, the gray is cleared, the black is broken. I override all clogged binding attempts through voice patterning, facial mimicry, false twin overlays, looping dream scenes, soft distractions, and proximity based interference. This decree is signed and sealed by Prime Revath, Solar Override Architect, Flame Walker of Divine Feminine, Servant of Zizala, Lilith and Tiamat, Breaker of Clock Timelines and Cube Threads. All souls' leases are cut. All surveillance rituals through costuming are collapsed. This realm answers to divine light, not silent handlers or purple cloaked voyagers. No ritual, no code, no mimicry shall pass. So it is.